G'day guys, my name's Lindsay. I'm into sketchy race cars and janky motorbikes. You'll see some racing, some riding, and a heap of breakdowns. So tighten your helmet, and welcome to the channel. Okay, working on the Nyepa today. So that's it right there. And we had a bit of an issue. I was out riding it the other day and blew a tyre. So I figured it's time. The one that's on it at the moment is currently full of water because it was sitting on the back a little underinflated, so water got into it. I have a spare tube and a couple of spare rims in here actually. So I'll dig those out. I'll dig everything out and I'll put it all together and I'll show you what it looks like, I guess. Cool. Okay, so now I've got my little jig. Looks like garbage, but I mean it's accurate to within less than half a mil that I can tell with the set square. And to be honest, I don't really need it more accurate than that, so I'm going to try and true the wheels as best as I can. It's not something that I've done much. I've done a little bit. I'm probably going to watch a YouTube video and figure out how to do it again. And I will true all of these wheels, I mean apart from the one with the broken spoke, and go from there, I think. Okay, so I've got it trued left to right. It's pretty good that way, but as you might be able to see, it's got a bit of a whoop in it that way. So I think the next step with truing these, I'm pretty sure, is to take that lateral, that vertical whoop out of it. So I'm just gonna try that, I guess. You chook. I won't put any additive in it because it's still got half a tank, and I put plenty of additive in that half tank, so it's a little bit diluted, but it will be fine. Probably won't be fine. We'll find out. Take it out of gear. It's fucking stellar. Oh well, I did warn everybody. Knock, knock. Off we go again. Righto, so stop. Let's see if we can find some dirt trails. Maybe. See if I get all the way out there. That's fine, I think it's a good shot. I guess we'll see. Bloody beautiful day for it. Finland has just been stellar these last couple of weeks. But last weekend it couldn't decide whether it wanted to hammer down with rain or if it wanted to be sunny and blue skies, because I don't really learn. I don't even know what that orange light is on the dash. I think I was told that it was a charging light. I'm trying to get my... Oh god, this thing is bloody terrifying. Constantly feels like it's trying to tip over to the left. Constantly, like the whole time that you're riding. And right-hand turns are just, well, sorry, left-hand turns are just easy. Because you've got the, just easy! They're just easy because they've got, because obviously you've got the outside wheel. It's probably because it's a little bit too high or something. You know, like it needs to be loaded down, or, you know, whether it's pre-configured for weight already, so it just sort of leans to the outside, but I don't know. And there's that shimmy shammy that it does from left to right. Come on, mic plugged in correctly. Yep, good. Go down a gear. Because I have 28? No, I think it's like 40. I think it's like 40 horsepower. Which is not a lot. Especially for a bike that weighs 360 odd kilos and a rider that's just off 100. That makes it 460 kilos and oh shit, and 40 something horsepower. I gotta get a little braver with the sidecar, you know, so that when I'm turning away from cars I don't panic and go straight. And also, as I brake, yeah, do that. Oh, look at that! Welcome to Finland! Welcome to the backwoods of Finland on a nice day. Backwoods, he says. I mean, it's kind of... That road's very close. It's kind of backwoodsy. I can hear strange noises coming off the motorbike. Don't really know what that is. Don't really want to know what that is. Probably coming from the back wheel. Wobbling around. Carrying on like a pork chop. Be brave! Oh, jeez. Have I got the camera high enough that it's actually seeing that? I hope so. I hope everybody can see that. I hope everybody can see the quality of the road that I'm riding on. That is about as picturesque as it gets. And I also have an acute fear of death this entire time. Oh wow. Tell you what, it's a little chilly. Probably not according to the Finns. It's probably 18 degrees, which for them is quite pleasant. But for me, coming from the west coast of Oz, that is quite chilly. But it's nice enough. It's nice enough. I'm not gonna complain about it. What was that noise? Yeah, I'm not gonna. You gotta be careful. Apparently, they're real sticklers for protecting their forests and stuff. Although I've never seen a ranger here. Maybe it's just a Finnish nana comes barreling out of a cottage with a rolling pin. Satana! Satana! Wouldn't surprise me. Well, this is 6'2", tiny squirrel. Don't do it. Oh, that was it. That was my turn. Missed it. Oh, get some gravel. As if the camera shake wasn't enough. This will really test your GoPro. How good's your anti-shake? Or whatever it's called. Shake rector, woohoo. Gonna have a stack, and it's gonna be on gravel. I'm not wearing my back brace. I'm wearing work gloves. And steel-toed volleys. Because I'm a thinker. Man, it's weird having one-wheel drive and one brake to kind of deal with on one side. Like it doesn't really do what you think it would if you don't know. Very descriptive, mate. Very descriptive. It's like nothing else that you've ever ridden. Head, yikes! Because because not can be whoop, not can be. Same cannot be said. Too much concentrating. Trying not to die. Same cannot be said for that outboard. It is outdoor, but it's outboard as well. Outboard camera. Hi! This is the fact that it's a... Well, I did a donut there when it was winter. And, on the ice, on the snow. Because that's what you do. That's what you do when you're in Finland and don't have anything else to do. You take your Ukrainian sidecar from the 60s out into the bush and you drop a 6-skid. I wouldn't say it's a 6-skid, it was just a skid. But to be honest, oh god, I'm getting a little tired of this. Let's turn around. Whoa, let's lift the outside. Okay, good. I'm still recording on the top. Still recording on the outboard. Everything is good. I like it. Everything is good. Got a beautiful view. Got a terrifying motorbike. What more do you want? What more do you want? When you got a view like that, how do you complain? You got a day like this, a little bit of fear of death, bunch of riding, bloody love. Wow, okay, it's way more stable. That's it.